Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be fitting new wipers on the car. Right, the wipers that I purchased were from Ford, so they're original Ford Motorcraft. So now we're going to replace them. Let's get started. So what we need to do is, if you have a look here, there's a clip there that you push down and then push the wiper down, which releases it, and then you can take it off. There you go. You can see that they're all coming a bit apart, so they need replacing because they're smearing the screen. So we've taken the old one off, now we're going to put the new one on. So all you need to do is feed that back through there and then slide it in. There we go, and it's locked in place. So now that should just go down, and that's one. We're going to do exactly the same thing with this side. So we push the tab, push the wiper down until it comes off, bring it out, and there you go. Put that down. So we do the reversal, putting it back on, put it in, slide it into the recess there, and then push it back in, and it's clicked into place. And there you go, second one. And that's how you replace wipers. So if you've got a newer car, say a 69 plate this year's, they are different to the ones that we've just replaced. So all you need to do on these, see this tab here, you push that down and then you push the wiper up, and then it just slides out, and there we go. That's what it looks like. So with your new one, if they are the same, older ones you get different types of connections that you put on so it fits, but they're on the old ones. But the newer ones will come with the same fittings, as long as you get your registration number right when you do purchase them. And then all you do is just slide it back in until it clicks in place. There we go. If you like this video and it's helped you, please do give it the thumbs up, subscribe and hit that like button.